Hello everyone, my name is George Tilli. I'm the Digital Product Manager for Komax Corporation here in North America, and I have been in this industry for 15 years. My technical conference session is Trends in Automation and Digital Solutions for Wire Harnesses and EDS Systems. This session highlights the trends we are seeing within the industry surrounding automation and digitalization. My session covers Industry 4.0 and how it's driving the automation and digitalization of factories all over the world. Automated, data-driven cable assemblies mean solving complex production processes more efficiently, economically, while improving quality. The Electrical Wire Processing Technology Expo 2023 is one of the largest wire processing expos in North America. No other show brings everyone together under one roof and gives our customers a chance to explore all the new technologies and communicate with the industry experts all in one place.